Do you want to start making money from affiliate marketing? Well, I've got to cover it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money from affiliate marketing. In fact, the simplest way to start affiliate marketing in 2023. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing simply means promoting product of other people, and you'll be given a link. So whenever someone click on the link or buy through your link, you make a small commission on that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a product to promote, how to build a landing page. Of course, we need a landing page because you'll be promoting it for free, and then how to promote the product, the traffic source for it. There are a lot of affiliate network out there, but in today's video, I'll be using Digistore24. So if you don't have an account on Digistore24, just click on the register now to create an account. So after you've created an account, you'll be brought to the dashboard, and then you have to click on the marketplace. So click on the marketplace, and then as you can see, here is where you can browse category of products. Here is where you can choose category of products to promote. So whenever you click on a category, you'll be provided with all the product that falls under the category. So for example, in today's video, let's choose the health and fitness, for example. So if I click on the health and fitness, you can see here's all the product that falls under the health and fitness. So whenever you want to choose, so let's say you are interested in promoting this product right now, all you have to do is to click on the promote now. So if you click on the promote now, you'll be given a link. Here is your link right here. So this is the link. This is the link. Whenever someone buys through it, you make a commission on that. Yeah. So if you click on promote, you'll be given the link right here. But so let's find a product to promote. Okay, let's say I'm interested in promoting the ultimate keto diet. Here, the ultimate keto meal plan. The ultimate keto meal plan is a product that can help you lose weight. It's a weight loss product here. All I have to do is, so in case I want to promote this product, all I have to do is to click on the link right here, and as you can see, link copied to clipboard. So this is my link right here. Now let me take you to where you can build a landing page. So I want you to come over to system.io. There are a lot of tools to build a landing page, but in today's video I'll be using system.io. So come over to system.io, create an account. For me, I already have an account, so I'll click on the sign in button to log in. So here is the dashboard of the system.io. Here is my dashboard, and to click the landing page, come over to where it says funnels, come over to the funnel section. As you can see, I've already built a landing page, but I'm going to show you how to build a new one in case you don't know how to build one. So whenever you come to funnels, come and click on create, and then enter the name. Let me just type in any name right here. Let me say maybe, so for example, weight loss. Let me type in weight loss, and then here it says choose your funnel goal. We want to build an audience, so choose build an audience, and then for the currency just leave it like that, and then click on save. So now the funnel has been created. Yeah, the funnel has been created. The landing page has been created now. Now it has been created, so we need to edit it. It's time for us to edit it. So the landing page has been created. So if I visit this landing page, let me click on view funnel. So if I visit this landing page, you can see there's nothing showing up right here, which means we need to edit this landing page. It says this is where you view your funnel once you have created it. So there's nothing showing up here, so you need to edit it. So come over to the dashboard, click on the funnel we created, and then here is the squeeze page. Delete the thank you page. We don't need a thank you page, so we need to remove it. So here are all the templates we can choose from. We need a template to edit. We are not going to start from scratch. We just need a template. So choose any one of these and then go and build it. Go and edit it, sorry. So for example, let me choose this one for example. So let's say select. So if I select it, here is it says squeeze page. Let me edit it again. Let me say weight loss. So weight loss for example, and then save it. So if you save it, come and click on the edit page to edit the landing page. We just need a simple landing page, so I want you to delete all of this thing at the bottom right here. So delete all, we don't need them, we just need a simple landing page. So delete all of it. So here is how the landing page is looking right now. So we need to edit this. We just need a simple landing page. So here is where they have to enter their first name and then their email address. So let's edit this text right here. Since we are promoting a weight loss product, we can type in something like, so edit the text and type in something that is similar to the product you are promoting. Since the product is a weight loss product, let me edit this. Since the product is a weight loss product, you can type in something like the best keto meal plan for weight loss. Simple as that. Let me make it white. So here's the landing page. You can see it's looking great right now. Now you need to enter their first name, that is okay, and then their email. So now we will need to link the affiliate link to this button right here, so that whenever they visit this page right here and they click on the submit button, it will lead them to the affiliate sales page whereby they can buy the products or purchase the product for us to make the commission. And bear in mind, we are building this landing page because this social media platform do not allow us to promote affiliate links on their platform, mostly for free. So that's why we are building the landing page. This landing page, the landing page is like a bridge between the audience and then affiliate sales page or the affiliate product. So the landing page is the tool that can, or is the thing that can help us to be safe from getting any problem or getting trouble with these social media platforms, or for us to get suspended. The landing page will let these social media platforms know that we are not promoting any affiliate link. That's why I updated the landing page. So once you have edited the text, and then you need to link the affiliate link to this button right here. It says submit, so click on the button, and then now it says action when button clicked. So I want you to choose the open to URL. Yeah, change it to open to URL and then paste the affiliate link we copied here. I want you to paste the affiliate link we copied here. And bear in mind, I've already told you this is your affiliate link. You need to copy only this link and then come and paste it here. I've already did that. So, and then we are done. Also, if you want to change this text, yeah, you can come to the bottom. It says submit. Yeah, let's leave it like that. And then as you can see now, it's looking okay. So whenever they click on this button right here, it will lead them to the affiliate sales page whereby they can buy the product if they are interested. So now we have done building the landing page. I want you to click on save changes. And then let's preview how the page is looking. So if I click on the preview icon, so here's how our page is looking right now. You remember at first this page wasn't like this. I showed you earlier. So after editing the page, here's how it's looking. So whenever the audience visits this page, here's where they can type in their name and then their email. And after filling these two boxes right here, if they click on submit, it will lead them to the affiliate sales page. Yeah, it will lead them to the affiliate sales page. You can see here's the affiliate sales page right now. Here's where they can buy or they can purchase the product. So now once we have finished building the landing page, let me show you the traffic source where we can get the traffic to this affiliate sales page right now, or to the landing page. So you'll be getting the traffic from Quora. And if you don't know what Quora is a Q&A platform, like questions and answers platform, whereby people ask a lot of questions and also people are here to answer questions. So our aim on being here is to answer questions. So since we are promoting an affiliate or a weight loss product, come to the search bar right here and then type in, maybe people will be asking for questions like how to lose weight. Yeah, so I want you to search for a question like how to lose weight. So if I search for how to lose weight right now, you can see here are all the questions that falls under weight loss. You can see Yeah, a whole bunch of questions that falls under weight loss right now. So our aim on being on this platform is to answer as much as possible, to answer questions, a lot of questions as much as possible. So now let me show you how you can answer all these questions right here. Answer as many questions as you can. So for example, this question says, what are the best ways to lose weight? And then this also say, what are some easy tricks to lose weight? So if I click, let me click on this answer, this question for example. So if I click on this question, here is where I can answer the question. If I click on, oh okay, I've already written an answer for this question. Let me go to another question. Okay, so let me choose this question for example. It says, how do I lose weight without doing exercise? So let me choose this question for example. So here's the question, and if I want to answer this question, all I have to do is to click on this answer right here. Now here's where you can write an answer to this question, and for you to be trusted, I want you to provide value in your answers. Whenever you try to answer all these questions, provide value to the customers or to the audience. So whenever you find your answer helpful and you recommend a product to them, there is a high percentage that they will buy the product. So always provide value, and then after writing the answer, leave a link to the product you recommend to them, to like example like the ultimate keto diet we are promoting right now. So after writing the answer, leave a link to the ultimate keto diet and be like, hey, this is a product that can help you boost or that can help you lose weight quickly. And now I'm going to show you how you can write answers to these questions, to all of these questions I showed you earlier, without typing it yourself, and that is by using ChatGPT. So if you don't want to write the answer by yourself, just copy the question right here. So just copy the question and then come over to ChatGPT. So copy the question and then come over to ChatGPT. So when you're on ChatGPT, paste the question right here, and then click on enter, and then ChatGPT will write a full answer for this question for you, or for the question for you. So you can see here is an answer ChatGPT is writing for us. Okay, so it has finished writing the answer. So copy the answer right here by clicking on this button, and then come over to the question again, come over to Quora, and then paste it right here, Okay, so although ChatGPT has written us an answer, but we still need to do a little bit of shifting and editing as it might not look sense. It might not look sense, so we need to edit this answer. So let me answer it and come back to you. So now here's how our answer is looking right now. It's making sense. So like I was saying earlier, after you have finished writing the answer, come to the bottom of the answer right here, and then leave a link, and then leave a call to action, and be like, hey, if you want the best way to lose weight quickly, then I recommend the ultimate keto meal plan for you. It is a dieting plan that can help you lose weight quickly, like for example, just like that. So type in a call to action. So let me be like, so for example, I will type in a call to action like, the ultimate keto meal plan can also be another way of losing weight without exercise. Like if you check the question, the person asked, how do I lose weight without doing exercise? So the call to action might be like, the ultimate keto meal plan can also be another way of losing weight without exercise. So after leaving a call to action, so after you have typed in the call to action, the CTA, come over to the landing page we built. I want you to come over to the landing page we built. We have already edited this, so I want you to come over to the landing page we built and then copy the link. So here's the link to our landing page. Copy the link of the landing page, and then come over to the answer. So now copy the whole text of the call to action, and then click on this icon, and then leave the link here. Paste the link here and then click on add. So after you click on add, you can see now the call to action has become a link. You can see it has turned to blue. So After leaving the link to the call to action, now click on post. So after you click on post, you can see now it says we have answered, your submission was successful. So we have answered this question right here. Now here's our call to action. So whenever someone read this question and whenever someone read this answer and then finds it helpful, the person might be interested in checking out the keto meal plan, and then whenever he or she clicks on this link right here, it will lead them to the affiliate sales page. Now it will lead them to the landing page we built. Now here's the landing page right here. It says the best keto meal plan for weight loss. So if they're interested in buying the product, the person will leave his first name right here, or her first name, and then the email address, and they click on submit. So whenever they click on submit, it will lead them to the affiliate sales page. Now here's the affiliate sales page, simple as that. Yeah, and then when they buy the product, you will make a commission. You make a small amount on the sales they make. So now here's how you can start an affiliate marketing in 2023, or here's how you can start making money from affiliate marketing. This is the simplest method to start affiliate marketing. And bear in mind, always provide value. Don't be a spammer. Provide value, give value to your customers, and then to build trust. Yeah, just provide value to build trust. So whenever you find your answers helpful, then they have already trusted you. So when you recommend any product to them, there is a high percentage that they'll buy the product. Also, I hope this video helped you. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, and then I'll see you in the next video.